Good morning, student. Myself, Deepali Pandurang Raundar, Department of Chemistry at KAA NMS Art, Commerce, Science College of Satana. Today we have to teach a class MSc second subject Chemistry of Natural Products. So, topic is clear in this lecture: Introduction of longipholin molecules and synthesis of longipholin. So, first we introduce to the longipholin molecules. The longipholin is a tricyclic sesquiterpene molecule. It is a typical terpene hydrocarbon in terms of the structural complexity. The synthetic challenges lies in construction of the bicyclic ring system. We will describe total 9 separate syntheses of longipholin, particularly the method of carbon-carbon bond formation used in this synthesis. So, chapter first, longipholin synthesis, we will understanding and planning of total synthesis while maintaining the stereochemistry, a case study, a longipholin molecule. So there was total 9 synthesis longipholin. University recommended the reference book Carey and Sundberg Part B. So from this reference we will see all these 9 synthesis of longipholin molecules. The structure of these molecules given it is. So if we observe the structure carefully, then it is a tricyclic sesquiterpene molecule because it consists of 15 carbon atom. Then it is optically active molecules due to presence of 4 chiral center. So we will see a structure of these 4 chiral centers. It is oily liquid molecules. So in the organic synthesis, the synthesis some important and new molecule require multi-step synthesis. So during multi-step synthesis, planning of each and every step is important. During that a large scale or large step synthesis, basically we use protecting deprotecting concept, and also we use synthetic equivalent group. While using protecting group and synthetic equivalent group, we can achieve selective conversion due to in the presence of multi-step synthesis. So there is about general introduction of longipholin molecule. Now we will see a actual synthesis of longipholin molecule using various ways. The first synthesis of longipholin was given by E.J. Corey and co-workers. So there was a group of scientists who developed the synthesis of longipholin molecules. So we will see in the detail. So this is a decalin derivative. In the first step, this decalin derivative of the starting material. It is also called as a diketone. This starting material undergo reaction in 2 steps. Here first step we use ethylene glycol molecule, and the second step we use Wittig reagent, that is triphenyl phosphonium ylides. In the first step, this diol molecule protects this carbonyl group. Here we have C 2 carbonyl group. This is one and this is second. Second carbonyl group is conjugated with double bond alpha beta unsaturated. The first diol protects the free carbonyl group formation of cyclic ketone. And second step, Wittig reagent react with alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl group, the formation of this type of alkane. This is a simple Wittig reagent and the next step product is formed. Look at the second step. Here first step we use osminium tetraoxides, that is OSO4. So there we well-known oxidizing agent it is. So this reagent convert double bond into diol. So there is a formation of this OH, and next step we use tosyl chlorides. So this tosyl chloride again converted this secondary OH into OTS. So in presence of tertiary and secondary OH group, this tosyl chloride converted OH into OTS. Look at the third structure, the product we have forms. In this next third structure, in presence of base, example OH minus, this intermediate undergo skeletal rearrangement, pinnacle rearrangement with ring expansion take place in presence of the base. So the product we have forms fourth structure. In this fourth structure, this intermediate react with H plus in presence of water protecting group undergo deprotection, and this is formation of original ketonic group, and also the formation of this double bond shifted into at the particular position. The next structure, fifth, is very interesting. In presence of triphenylamine at a high temperature, intermolecular Michael addition take place. So in presence of base, this Michael addition reaction, carbonyl group react with alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl group. So next structure we have to form a product, structure number 6. Look at the, here we use sterically hindered base extract a proton at this particular carbon. This formation of carbanium, that carbanium can be stabilized by the carbonyl group, and this react with methyl iodide. So this methyl iodide is a good electrophile, and this formation in the second methyl group at the particular position. The product we have to form in the structure number 7. In the structure number 7, compound react with this type of 3 reagent. First we use dithiol, second lithium aluminum hydroxides, and third NH2NH2 in presence of base. So first step we use dithiol protecting group, this protecting sterically unhindered ketonic group. Next step we use lithium aluminum hydride is reducing agent. This reducing agent hindered carbonyl group into OH conversion. This next step NH2NH2 is used. This is also reducing agent, and in presence of base this is Wolff-Kishner reduction. So this diol protected and undergo reduction carbonyl. Specifically formation of CS2 group at C5 position. So these are the 3 synthetic steps. The product is formed, structure number 8. In this step, here we use chromium reagents. The first step, OH group at carbon 11 position undergo oxidation. This is formation of carbonyl group. In the next step, we use methyl lithium reagents. So this nucleophilic reagent react with carbonyl group at carbon 11 position. There is a formation of the OH and CS3. The last step we use H plus. So this is loss of water molecule, and here a formation of CS2 group at this particular position, that is carbon 15 CS2 group formation. So this is synthesis of longipholon molecule. In this lecture we will see a synthesis of longipholon molecule by E.J. Corey and co-worker. The next lecture we have to see a synthesis of longipholon molecule by E.J. Corey and McMurray. Thank you.